everyone! Today we're making fried green plantains. Here's the list of ingredients. You can also find it in the description box below this video, along with links to the items I use that help me create this delicious dish. We're going to start off by cutting off the tips of our plantains. And we're going to cut 4 to 5 slits to help remove the peel. You're going to wiggle the tip of the knife in the slits and pop out the edges. And then you're just going to slide your thumb underneath the peel, and the peel comes right off. Repeat the process with the rest of the plantains. You're going to cut the plantains into 1-inch pieces. And we're going to add the plantains to 350-degree canola oil. You're going to let them cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. You're going to remove the plantains from the oil and smash flat, and then you're going to take them back to the oil to continue frying. Remove from the oil after about 5 to 6 minutes when they're nice and golden brown. You're going to want to sprinkle on some salt immediately after taking them out of the oil. And these fried green plantains are ready to be enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments what dish you would like to see next.